Hi guys, today I wanted to quickly talk about a new launch from Pack and something which really excites me. The packaging is really cute. It's the classic, I think, Pack jar, small tub, and I don't think it's glass, it's plastic. I think previously they would be making in glass, so cost cutting. So this is the white gel liner. If you're someone who wants to learn a liner, I think gel liners are the best way to go with the proper brush though, otherwise they could be very difficult. They can be very difficult. So my first time when I learned how to draw proper liner was the Bobbi Brown gel liner that I bought. It was black and it performed really good. I used it with this brush from Pro Arte. It's the PE28. It's very sharp and pointy. It has an angle which will give you the benefit, okay, of drawing the liner. This is really creamy. This retails for $8.75 if I'm not wrong. Decent given the quantity. As what I think is you can use it in multiple ways. I think you can use this as an eyeshadow base or eyeliner base as well. I think it's more or less meant for professionals who can finish it very fast. White liner for me is like, I really love it, so that's why I got white. They also launched a nude liner. I don't feel so connected to nude. I want everything to be like the bam. Let me just show you a hand swatch of this. Taken this much, very little I've taken. Let me just show you. Let me show you on the top of a lipstick swatch how well it goes. Can you see that? You can get any type of stroke. These are the number of strokes that I can draw. It's supremely pigmented. So it's supremely pigmented, that you can see. But one thing I just want to mention, this white liner might be a little difficult for beginners, okay? Why? Because it does not apply evenly, okay? So I am someone who has drawn eyeliner for like now 4-5 years continuously, and I could not handle this for the first time. So yeah, it is going to be a little difficult for beginners. One tip I would definitely want to give is set your eyes well. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of this eyeshadow here, the white one. If you do this thing, then your eyeliner won't budge at all. What I do is I take a lot and then I put it on my hand and just make the tip of the brush sharper by doing this. All the bristles are at one place. So this is me getting a very thin line. You see the difference instantly? This is looking so much opened up. It's literally one swipe pigmentation, but one thing is there, it takes its own little sweet time to set. If you're doing it on a client, then tell them to shut their eye. And if you're doing it on yourself, be careful. After doing one eye, wait for some time and then do it on the other eye, because you need to keep this eye, like if I'm doing this eye, I need to keep this eye wide open. So if I keep it wide open, it gets transferred here, so you need to give it some time. But after that, it won't budge. Like, it won't budge until and unless you're using an oil cleanser. Just try a little graphic here. You can use this as a white kajal as well, so you can just go ahead and apply it at your bottom lash very easily. This has been the easiest kajal to work with. I've just applied it on the outer little corner, and can you see how beautiful shape that it has given? It's really good. Only thing, if you know how to work your way around liners, gel liners in particular, very creamy liners, I think this will be really great for you. Okay, like I said, if I wanted a very, one mono lid, like a one color lid, monochromatic lid, I mean, so I would just go ahead and do this. Like, I would fill my lid with this and go with any color on top of this. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, let me just show you a simple swatch of this yellow. This is the simple swatch, and let me just show you on white how bright it's going to look. Can you see the difference? If you want, you can do this as well, and this will work amazingly well. Let me just try this. I mean, I get really excited when I have to do such things. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this and cover my whole lid. Okay, something like this. I'm gonna take this brush and my favorite color, which is teal. Basically, I'm gonna take the teal color and I'm gonna just apply it okay, but let it dry for some time. Okay, so they have to be a little sticky, like tacky sticky. Okay, and then you have to go ahead and just, oh, this is so beautiful. I did the whole look and yeah, just fallen short. This is really amazing, this liner, and you can get any color liner with this. That now that I've realized, I have put on this blue eyeshadow. If you have a colorful eyeshadow palette, you can go ahead and get this. You can get any color basically with this, so it's really wonderful. Just store it like upside down, and if it goes dry, just put that Duraline on. Pack has their own Duraline as well, so I think it's gonna work fine with that. Yeah, gel liners tend to dry very quickly. So yeah, this is my verdict. It's really good. Just go ahead and get it.